Hallsborough, Redbud, Council, Curry, The Borough, Riegelwood, Converse, Lisbon, Lagoon, Montague, Elkton, Wilkes, Henderson, Kelly, and Freeman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901.
Oreo Brownie Fusion.